Jumpum, jumpum, jalalumpum.
When you envision our future, what do you see? A technological utopia? A green safe haven? Do you imagine that the future will look the same as what we see outside our windows today? We need to reconsider our designs by first envisioning our future and design with what sort of change we want to see in the world. Sustainable design aims to reduce consumption of non-renewable resources, minimize waste, and create healthy, productive environments. The most efficient method of developing a sustainable project is to specify new and modern resources, as they have a significantly longer life cycle than many of the common materials we use today. As interior designers, we act as a conduit between a client and a design. We channel our knowledge to take in the perceived needs of a user and make them a reality. Because we are so human-orientated in our profession, we are ethically obligated to create spaces with a holistic attitude whilst maintaining a sense of integrity and being supportive of human needs. The fact remains that we only have one Earth, and there is no guarantee that we have the capacity to design ahead of global desertification and ensure future inhabitability. It then follows that it is imperative and ethically right that we design buildings in a resource-conserving manner, as to do anything else would be wrong. It has been suggested that design is an ecology of things that has consequences which can either be futuring or defuturing, that is either making time or reducing it. As a designer focused on sustainability, the goal is to provide a longevity to Earth, promote its inhabitability for as long as possible. But designing with the intent of zero energy or something self-sustaining combined with a material resource built to last, we can achieve buildings that will survive double what our current designs will. Sustainable resources have come a long way in the past few years, driven by environmental awareness and the rising costs of fossil fuels. Some new advances include nanotechnologies, biofuels, tidal energy, and bioplastics. A lot of the issues with specifying these materials is through convincing clients and the public of their necessity. Whilst cost-effective solutions are advancing daily, people aren't convinced in their reliability. Let's investigate some leading examples of sustainable design in commercial sectors. Singapore is home to many beautiful green buildings: Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, and the BCA Building Academy Centre. They have built these designs to be self-sustaining and utilise some unique material compositions. What's most interesting in a lot of these designs is that they have an engaging component that is used as an educational aspect for users. It teaches them about sustainable design and why it's so critical during this time. This is something all designers should utilise, designing with public awareness in mind. If our profession is the strongest connection between a human and building, then we have a responsibility to inform people of how sustainable resources can impact the planet. As we move into the future, we must decide whether our power will be supportive or destructive. Modern sustainable design means futuring our planet.